Hi, good morning, students. Let me move on to the next topic, aquatic plants and their adaptations. Here, we can divide it as three groups, floating plants, fixed aquatic plants, and underwater plants. So, let me move on to the floating plants. On your screen, you can view that floating plants, that is water cycling and Wolfia. Here, some plants like float on the water. So example, water scientist just now I told. Then what is the adaptations of these plants are here, which is very small size and have light and spongy bodies. These stems are reduced and roots are not well developed. So leaves have thin and waxy coating. And next, fixed aquatic plant. Some plants like water lily, lotus are fixed to the bed of the pond. You can view the example of lotus and water lily pictures on your screen. What is the adaptations of these plants are? They have hollow and light stems that keep the leaves and the flower float. Their leaves are broad with waxy coating that prevents them from rotting. Leaves have stomata on their upper surface to breathe easily and roots are fixed to the bed of the plant. The next, underwater plant. Some plants like pondweed, seaweed, tape grass here grow and remain under the water. Tape grass and seaweed pictures we can view on your screen. Here, these leaves arise in a cluster from the roots and don't have any stomata. They have long and ribbon-like narrow leaves. They breathe through their body surface. And the next, some other adaptations. Let me move on to the plants with thorns. Here, a number of plants like rose and some of the plants having thorns which protect them from animals. See, on your screen, you can view that rose plant. Next, plant with poison. Many plants like poison we have poison in them. So this keeps animals away from them. When we touch the poison away, our skin starts itching. You can view the poison away picture on your screen. Next is insectivorous plant. Some plants like Venus flytrap, sundew and picture plant, these are all called carnivorous. It means almost flesh-eating plants. They eat insects, so they called insectivorous plant. They have special leaves to trap insects. Venus flytrap has hair along the edges of the leaves to catch insects. In picture plant, leaves are in the form of picture with a lid. When an insect sits in the picture, lid shuts down to trap the insect. You can view the picture of that picture plant on your screen. Next, non-green plants. Some plants like coral root, Indian pipe don't have any chlorophyll, so they called non-green plants. They cannot make their own food. They absorb their food from the remains of dead plants and the animals. So we call it as saprophytic plants. You can view the picture of coral root and Indian pipe on your screen. And let me move on to the next, that is plants of the grass family. Most of the plants, grass family, are a great use to us. What's the use? That is, plants like wheat, rice, jowar provide a cereals to humans and the animals. We get sugar from the sugarcane plant and bamboo plant, which is used for making brooms, baskets, mats, and all. And here, that bamboo shoots having high nutritional value, so are used to prepare dishes in many parts of India. Next, a grass called mm, papyrus was used to make paper earlier in Egypt. Some plants of grass family are used as medicines and dried grass used for packaging. Roots of these plants bind the soil well and help in conservation of soil. Here this chapter is ends here. Thank you.